If you've ever dreamed of earning in dollars without leaving your home, this is your moment. Welcome to the free online tutoring masterclass, How to Get Foreign Students and Earn in Dollars 2026. A powerful step-by-step guide designed to show you how ordinary people are turning their knowledge into a global income stream. In today's digital world, you don't need to relocate abroad to access international opportunities. With just your skills, a smartphone or laptop, and the right strategy, you can teach students from the US, UK, Canada, and beyond, and get paid in strong currencies. But here's the truth. Most people try online tutoring and fail, not because they lack knowledge, but because they don't understand how to position themselves, attract foreign students, and stand out in a crowded market. That's exactly what this masterclass will fix. Inside, you'll discover how to identify high-paying tutoring skills, even if you're just starting. Where to find foreign students who are ready to pay in dollars. The exact methods to present yourself professionally and attract premium clients. Proven systems to turn tutoring into a consistent, scalable income. Whether you're a student, graduate, teacher, or someone looking for a legit side hustle, this training will open your eyes to opportunities most people overlook. This isn't theory. This is a practical roadmap to building a global income from your knowledge, starting now. Let's get into it. In part 1, you learn the basics. But in this video, I'll show you something different. How to turn online tutoring into a serious income stream. We're talking about getting foreign students, charging in dollars, and positioning yourself like a professional. And the best part? This is completely free information that many people actually pay for. Understanding high-income tutoring. There are two types of tutors: low-income tutors and strategic tutors. Low-income tutors wait for students, charge very little, struggle to grow. Strategic tutors choose high-demand skills, target the right audience, and position themselves well. The difference is not luck, it's strategy. What to teach for high income. If you want to earn more, you must teach what people are willing to pay for. High demand areas include English speaking, especially for foreigners, exam prep, IELTS, SAT, etc. Tech skills, design, coding, AI tools, business and freelancing skills. Here's the secret. Don't just teach. Solve a problem. How to find foreign students. This is where most people struggle. To get foreign students, you need visibility. You can find students on freelance platforms, social media, tutoring websites. But here's the real strategy. Position yourself clearly. Your profile must answer. Who do you help? What result do you give? Example, I help beginners speak English confidently in 30 days. That's powerful. How to get local students. Don't ignore local opportunities. You can get students from WhatsApp groups, Facebook communities, referrals, schools and parents. Sometimes, your first clients are closer than you think. Best platforms to teach. You don't need complicated tools. You can teach using Zoom, Google Meet, Telegram, WhatsApp video. For structured teaching, use slides, PDFs, or whiteboard apps. Keep it simple. Focus on results, pricing, and getting paid. Pricing is where many people get it wrong. Don't price based on fear. Price based on value. Do's and don'ts, very important. Now this part is critical, especially if you are an African tutor. Do. Be professional. Communicate clearly. Deliver quality. Don't. Use poor internet. Miss classes. Appear unprepared. Also, avoid anything that reduces trust. Fake accents. Overpromising. Unclear communication. Trust is everything. Start small if needed, but increase as you gain confidence. For foreign clients, charge in dollars. Use payment methods like PayPal, Payoneer, or direct transfers. Your knowledge has value. Don't undervalue it. Final motivation plus call to action. You now have what most people don't. Clarity. The only thing left is action. Start small, stay consistent, and improve daily. Online tutoring can change your income if you take it seriously. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this opportunity.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Just click this button right here, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching.